Hi everybody, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to reorganize your news feed to see what is most recent. You may not know this, but that when you go to your news feed either on LinkedIn or Facebook, it automatically sorts by what they think you should see. So I'm going to show you a quick tip first on LinkedIn. So we're on my LinkedIn profile on my homepage. And if you look here, right here it says sort by. You may not have ever noticed this. It automatically defaults to top. If you click this little arrow here and hit recent, it will resort this so that you'll get the most recent information in your news feed that people have posted. So that's the first place we're going to look at. Now that we're going to move over to Facebook. Same thing here. We're on my Facebook news feed. And if you go over here to the left, you see these three little dots? It automatically defaults to top stories. You want to click on most recent, and here you will get just now. I have something that was posted. So I have the most recent information being posted that I get to see rather than what Facebook wants me to see. So I thought you'd find these two tips helpful. Please share it. My name is Lisa Candid with LK Advisors, and I hope that you can use these tips.